of course, as usual, we start with the dot, and still working on the labeling. I'm trying to recreate it once I delete it, but the point is trying to show the amount of types of ramen and how many people are actually invested in this kind of industry, just from like a global perspective. So here we see spikes around Japan, of course, because that's the hometown for ramen, and then we see a lot of it in China and a lot of it in Asia, and then surprisingly we see some in the US as well. So that's like pretty interesting to look at. And the next view is to kind of dive a little bit deeper into exactly like how many reviews that we have per country. So I use the wraparound column style. I don't know what the right name is,
Yeah.
but just to showcase a deeper dive into these are the type of reviews that we have. And from these certain type of countries, if we zoom in, we will be able to see the names underneath. And I wasn't able to recreate the next two views, but in the next two views, I had like a little plot where I goes into the type of variety of different types of ramen, and then which country that it's from, and then what's are the ranking for different types of variety. So it's kind of like a nice 3D plot where you'll be able to see you're from each country, you have these type of variety, and these are the ratings for each one of them. So that's kind of like the idea. And then we talked about visualizing pricing as well. So per type of variety, like what type of pricing that we're going to see. So those are the kind of like the next two following steps, but I was only able to have time to recreate it until this point. So hopefully, hopefully the storyline makes more sense. So really appreciate your time. Thank you.